just learned this week that insurance rates increased to $20 for all student athletes, except for football players, where it jumped to the 2-century mark.
It was never an issue before, right? When it's about $10 or something like that. Yeah.
How about $200?
Yeah, exactly. It's an issue.
While Chris Porcino says he's able to foot the bill, the school committee is concerned not all parents are. During an emergency meeting Thursday night, the school committee decided to put a temporary moratorium on the district's policy of requiring students to purchase the Interscholastic League insurance and instead allow them to use their private insurance.
See, folks, once again, policy, not law, policy, ruining lives. Agenda 21, try to tell y'all.
Everything and come up with the final solution to the whole situation.
In the meantime, Coach can't wait to get his players back on the field.
And, we have a season to prepare for.
Now, players who can provide proof of insurance and sign that waiver are allowed to be back on the practice field. However, the players who cannot provide proof of insurance cannot play. In the meantime, the school committee will meet again to do some research and figure out a long-term solution. Reporting in West Greenwich with the West Bay Mobile Newsroom, Kelly Sullivan, Eyewitness News.
Here's the answer to your research. Common law.